Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss Google Jamboard, which is very effective tool for online teaching. If you want to use online whiteboard or online board, this is very effective tool. For that you must log in to your Google account and then click on here apps, and here you will see the Jamboard. So just click on Jamboard and it will show you the all the Jamboards that you have recently created. So if you want to create a new Jamboard, just click on here new Jam, and it will show you the board. As you can see here, you can change the background of a board. If you want a dotted board, you can use dotted. If you want to use graph, you can use graph. You can use a blue board, and even you can insert image of your choice as per your requirement as a background. Now I want to use the whiteboard, so just click here on the whiteboard. Now see, there are different types of pens available. See, pen is here, marker is here, highlighter is here, and brush is also here. You can use effectively on the board. Now I want to use a marker of red color. I can select here, and suppose if I want to explain the tables concept, so for that I can draw a tables here. You can write anything on this board, so I have drawn a table. If you want to insert some text box, you can insert a text box here. For example, I want to explain tables in RDBMS. Fine, you can resize it. Fine. And if you want to explain something, for example, you can choose pen of different color. For example, I am going to explain this is for roll number. You can resize it. You can choose a pen or marker of other color. Fine. You can insert a text, and you can change the color of the text also. For example, if I want to insert the color green, fine, you can insert. For example, this is for name. You can change the style also of the text box. Fine. Another option is you can use eraser. So see, I have used eraser. Fine. Another option that you can use is you can use a sticky note. For example, if I want to write a relation in DBMS is a table, I can use sticky notes here. And this tool is very helpful if you want to show some important information with your student. If you want to share some important information with your students, this tool is very efficient. This tool is very effective. Fine. You can insert more sticky notes. You can change the color of sticky notes. Fine. For example, if I want to write field is a column, so I can move it to anywhere. I can resize it. I want to share some important information with my students. And even the most important is you can share this Jamboard with your students. You can get the link from here. You can copy the link from here, and you can share the link with your students, and your students can work on this board in collaboration to you. You can work simultaneously on this board. You can use the board simultaneously. Fine, you and your student. If you want to ask some important question, and students can write the answer in the form of sticky notes here. Fine. Another important feature that you can use is, see, this is one frame. You can insert another frame also. So you can insert another frames in a single Jamboard. For example, I want to create a blue board and I want to write some text on it. You can write the text. For example, I want to write 1 2 3 You can choose a marker also. I want to write mathematical equation a square plus b square. This board will be very effective if you are using digital pen with you. This tool will be very effective. Another important feature is you can insert image. For example, if you want to explain some topic, if you want to explain some image to your students, you can insert an image. Fine, you can insert image from the, you can upload the image, or you can insert image from the Google Drive or Google Photos. So let me upload a image. You can explain this topic to your students easily. Fine, I can resize the image, I can rotate the image, I can resize the image. Fine. And if you have handwritten notes, and if you have scanned copy of your handwritten notes, you can explain these notes to your students with more effectiveness. You can use the pen, you can write anything on this. For example, if I want to explain this image to students, I can write anything. Fine, I can explain whatever I want. I can write whatever I want. Fine, I can insert the text here also. Fine. And most important thing is you can save this frame as an image. This is the frame, and you can save this frame as an image. For example, if you have inserted your notes, if you have inserted an image in the Jamboard, and you have written, you have explained something on that, on those notes, and then you can save that frame as an image. You can save this frame as an image. Another important thing is you can save this whole Jamboard as a PDF file. You can save, you can download as a PDF. So just download as a PDF, and this file will be downloaded. And see, this file has been downloaded, and everything that I have shared in my class, that I have used, you can save as a PDF and then share this PDF with your students. So just very simple. Have scanned notes, upload scanned notes on the Google Jamboard, and if you want to explain anything, you can explain, you can write anything, you can write anything on this frame. Fine, you can write anything, and then you can either save this frame as an image, or you can download the PDF. And you can even share this Jamboard with your students, so that your students can actively take participation in your class. Fine. And if you want to clear a frame, you can clear a frame. Very simple. So these are some important tools that are available in Google Jamboard, and you should try. You should try these tools. Fine. If you are not able to write efficiently on this board, no problem, you can insert the text box. See, you can insert a text box. You can change the color of the pen, and then you can insert the text box. Fine. You can use the sticky notes. See, so many options are available that will be helpful to you while online teaching. And that's all. So you should try this Google Jamboard in your online classes. That will be very helpful to you. The most important thing that I like is this sticky notes, because see, I have used sticky notes efficiently. Fine. So you can use sticky notes, you can use you can insert image, you can insert text box, you can draw shapes, you can draw shapes also. If you want to explain some diagram, see how simple it is. You can insert shapes. Fine. There are so many shapes available. You can insert shapes, you can insert arrow, so on. You can draw a diagram, and then you can explain the diagram. So shapes feature is here. Fine. Even colors. Fine. You can use shape of any color, any shape of any color. Fine. You can change the color from here. How simple it is. You can draw diagrams, you can explain diagrams, you can insert images, and then you can explain the images, you can explain your notes. So very important tool is Google Jamboard. And that's all for this video. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you for watching.